Hey, Mick Fields here, Toyota Melbourne. Hey, we got our first 2019 Avalon. It's here, it's at the Harbor Gray Metallic. This is the limited trim level. Beautiful car, obviously has a moonroof. All new design, new INTUNE system. I'm gonna hop inside. It's got the new trim, or the new interior color called Cognac. Heated and cooled seats. Memory seats. Let me show you the back. It's got rear heated seats as well. I want to hop in and show you this new display. This thing is cool. So push button start, obviously power steering column. This has the JBL system. Electronic brake hold. It's got the 7-inch display in the front. I'm excited about the new Avalon. 24 North Harbor City Boulevard, Mick Fields, 321-254-8888. I'm at extension 360. Give me a call, come on in, I'd like to show it to you. Again, Mick Fields, 321-254-8888, extension 360. Oh, one more thing, Apple CarPlay. Call me.